You change your car's fluids to keep it running smoothly, right? But what if I told you, the way you're changing them could actually be killing your car faster? The truth is, most drivers make at least one of these 11 fluid change mistakes, and some of them can completely destroy your engine, transmission, or brakes. And the worst part? Mechanics see these mistakes all the time, and quietly profit from them when your car breaks down. That's why today, we're exposing the 11 dumb fluid change mistakes that could cost you thousands of dollars if you don't avoid them. And hey, before we dive in, let me ask a small favor. Creating these videos takes time, effort, and research, and every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees while bringing you free car-saving tips. So, if you want to save money and keep your car healthy, please hit that subscribe button to join the Gear Specs family. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Ignoring the transmission fluid. Many drivers think oil is the only fluid that matters. Wrong. Transmission fluid is just as important. Neglecting it causes gears to grind, overheat, and eventually fail. Something that can cost like $4,000 to fix. Number 2. Overfilling the engine oil. More oil doesn't mean more protection. Overfilling creates excess pressure, blowing out seals and damaging your engine. Honestly, it's one of the dumbest, yet most common mistakes people make when changing fluids themselves. Using the wrong coolant. Coolant is coolant, right? Well, nope. Different cars require specific coolant types. Mixing them can cause sludge buildup, overheating, and even engine failure. Always check your manual before pouring anything in. Forgetting to bleed the brakes. Changing brake fluid but not bleeding the system properly traps air bubbles inside. The result? A soft brake pedal and dangerous stopping power. Skipping this step could literally risk your life. Ignoring differential fluid. Most drivers don't even know their car has differential fluid. Ignore it, and your gears can grind to dust, leading to a $2,000 plus repair. Changing it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles saves huge headaches. Mixing old and new power steering fluid, honestly, is just asking for trouble. If you top up without flushing out the old stuff, those contaminants stick around and yeah, they can cause your steering pump to fail. So, always do a full flush, not just a quick top off. Using cheap oil filters might seem like a good way to save a few bucks. Like spending $5 on a no-name filter sounds smart at first. But honestly, those cheap filters let contaminants slip through, which totally undoes all the protection your oil is supposed to give. In the long run, that cheap decision can actually destroy your engine. Forgetting windshield washer fluid in winter might sound like a tiny thing, right? But if you use summer washer fluid when it's freezing out, it can actually crack your reservoir or pump. Then you're stuck with an annoying, expensive repair, all because of a $3 fluid. Mistake number 9 is not checking for leaks after a change. A lot of DIYers change fluids, close the hood, and just never look back. But honestly, not checking for leaks means you could be running your engine dry without even knowing it. So, always inspect after a change. Mistake number 10 is neglecting power steering fluid color. If your steering fluid turns dark or, smells burnt, it's already damaging your pump. Most drivers totally ignore the warning signs until it's too late. And honestly, a $50 fluid flush beats a $1,000 repair any day. Okay, so mistake number 11. Skipping the maintenance schedule entirely. Honestly, the dumbest mistake of all, it's thinking fluids are lifetime. No fluid lasts forever, trust me. If you just follow your owner's manual, you'll avoid like 90% of the costly failures that mechanics see every single day. See, fluid changes might seem simple, but, one small mistake can seriously cost you thousands. By avoiding these 11 dumb mistakes, you're not just protecting your car, you're totally protecting your wallet too. And hey, if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every single subscription doesn't just help this channel grow, it also helps me keep up with my college fees while giving you free, money-saving car advice every single week. Now, if you thought these fluid mistakes were shocking, just wait until you see our video on the 15 stupid mistakes destroying your automatic car. That one exposes everyday habits that actually kill your car even faster. Click here to watch